In this video, we're going to be covering how to use the Wi-Fi system on the Subtech cameras. So the first thing we're going to do is power on the unit, and we're going to wait for the blue flashing light to stop blinking. And that's an indication that the system is booting up and running its tests. So we'll just give that a second and wait for those lights to stop blinking. In the meantime, we're going to download the app, which is WIFIAV-HD. There's two versions of this app. We need the HD version. So we're going to download that app. And while we're waiting for that to download, we will log on to the Wi-Fi on the camera. So it is a Wi-Fi hotspot inside the camera. So you don't need an existing Wi-Fi. You're just logging on to the Wi-Fi AV HD. If it's your first time, it's going to ask you for a password, which is 12345678. And when we open up the app, we'll have a mirrored image of the screen from the camera. So we'll see all the same data from the camera or footage counter, the date and time, all those same options. Those options aren't able to be used through the app, so it's only showing you what is selected on the camera. And if you touch the screen on the app, it's going to bring up these options down here. The bottom right is a screenshot, so you can take screenshots right there from the app. The next one over is recording, so you'll see a red blinking indication light at the top left corner. And if you're using a SIM card device, like an Android tablet, you'll be able to record some of these directly to the tablet. But for iOS devices, this isn't an option. So if you're using an iOS, the best option is to screen record on the phone or to just take screenshots. And that's the best way to get your images. But again, through some SIM card devices, you can pull these images and files. However, the video files are so large that it's really difficult to email them. You have to use some kind of a Dropbox system. So the easiest way of doing these is still just to use an unnamed YouTube file. But as you can see here, these do save to the app, so you can open them up and at least view your recording, and you can edit them, rename them, stuff like that. All right, if you guys have any questions about the Wi-Fi system, just give us a call at the office, 209-531-9716. Thanks.